So welcome all. So in this video we are going to derive PVT relationships for a given mass of ideal gas undergoing a reversible adiabatic process. For an ideal gas with a given mass undergoing a reversible adiabatic process, we have already seen that PV raised to gamma will be a constant. That the pressure and volume are related by this equation. Similar relationships can be made between temperature and volume as well as temperature and pressure. So, if this relationship will be very handy while you do numerical problems on these topics of Carnot engines as well as Otto and diesel cycles. So, I am going to show the derivation of these two equations using from this relationship we have already seen in the last class. So, these are all equivalent. These equations are all equivalent. So, let us start from this equation. We have PV raised to gamma equal to a constant. So, first we are deriving this formula. So, here this we can write as P times PV times V raised to gamma minus 1, that is equal to a constant. And for ideal gas we know that PV is equal to mRT. We substitute this here, we will get m r bar into T V raised to gamma minus 1 equal to a constant. Here for a given mass of gas, for a given mass of ideal gas, M and R will be a constant. M is the mass of the gas, so R bar is the characteristic gas constant, that is also a constant for a given gas. So this terms will be constant. So this is equal to a constant. Then this T V raised to gamma minus 1 will be a constant. So that is one relationship. Now let us see the second one. This relationship, how can we derive this? So here also we will start from the same equation. We have PV raised to gamma minus 1, PV raised to gamma equal to a constant. P into, using this relationship we can write P is equal to m r bar T divided by P to rearrange it. For a given mass of the gas, ideal gas, this will be a constant. So this term should be a constant. Hence we can write it as T raised to gamma divided by P raised to, here we will take the P to the denominator. So P raised to gamma minus 1, that is equal to a constant. So you have to remember these two equations, and using this equation we can derive another equation also. I will show that. For an process from 1 to 2, say we have our PV diagram, and the process is a reversible adiabatic process from 1 to 2. Then between the process 1 and 2 we can write T1 V1 raised to gamma is equal to P2 V2 raised to gamma. So P1 by P2 equal to V2 by V1 raised to gamma. Similarly, for this case, we have between process 1 and 2 T1 V1 raised to gamma minus 1 equal to T2 V2 raised to gamma minus 1. So T1 by T2 equal to V2 by V1 raised to gamma minus 1, or we can write it in the other way, V1 by V2 equal to T2 by T1 raised to 1 divided by gamma minus 1. Coming to the third equation, we have T1 divided by T1 raised to gamma divided by P1 raised to gamma minus 1 equal to T2 raised to gamma divided by P2 raised to gamma minus 1. So if we rearrange it, we will get T1 divided by T2 equal to P1 by P2 raised to gamma minus 1 divided by gamma, or we can write it as P1 by P2 equal to T1 by T2 raised to gamma divided by gamma minus 1. So these equations, either you have to remember this equation or this equation, because this will be very useful when you are doing your numerical problems. Thank you.